What's good, all my trader and investor homies? It's your boy Kevin. This is Touchdown Trades, home of your trading BFF and your stock market bestie. Here at Touchdown Trades, we absolutely love three things. Number one, we love penny stocks. We love the high returns that they offer. We think we can target low risk entries and maximize on those crazy runs that penny stocks offer us. Number two, we love disruptive and innovative technology. We love companies that come into a space and try to change the game. And number three, we love some coffee. That's right, you gotta have that caffeine in the morning. The first thing I do when I wake up is I hit start on that coffee machine and I get a cup of fresh brewed coffee, pour 1 pack of sugar, 1 cream. You gotta have the 1 cream, 1 sugar. You don't wanna dilute that coffee too much. You just got to have the right amount of cream and the right amount of sugar. So those three things that we love, innovative tech, penny stocks, and coffee, they're all coming together in this video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a penny stock that is using 3D printing technology to come into the coffee space and absolutely change the game. If you're new to the channel, this is Touchdown Trades. We talk about the hottest stocks in the market every single day. I ask for one favor every video, and that is to like the button. If you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Also, WeBull, my preferred broker, the best broker out there, is offering you 4 free stocks if you sign up with the link in the description. That deal's about to end, and that deal is the best deal I've ever seen offered by any broker. And WeBull is the legit best broker out there right now. They're offering you free money up to $1,600 if you use that link. So don't let that deal go to waste. You're just losing free money if you don't take advantage of it. All right, guys, let's break down this penny stock that is changing the coffee space. They're coming in using crazy 3D printing tech to just change the game up completely. Let's talk about it. Starbucks went public in 1992, trading for 34 cents a share. Today, that same stock is trading for over $100 a share. That's a more than 30,000% run up. Why? Because coffee is a high margin product. The margins on coffee are extremely high. Number two, people drink coffee every single day. It's not a beverage or a product that you consume once in a while. If you're a coffee drinker, you're a coffee drinker, and you're gonna drink 1, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 4 cups a day, every single day. So you have repeat customers drinking it every single day with high margins. Those are two things that come together really well for a company. Coffee is a unique consumer product. And the stock that we're going to be breaking down today, the penny stock that is coming into the coffee space and switching things up, they are NEXE Innovations, NEXE, NEXE Innovations. They are coming into the coffee space and trying to change the Keurig cup using crazy 3D printing tech to match the move for sustainable, more clean, lower footprint, more environmentally friendly product. And that is where the next pod comes into play. We got a plant-based, fully compostable, no compromise, new Keurig pod. In 2019, the global coffee market was valued at over $100 billion. It is an absolutely massive industry. In the single-serve coffee cups, like the Keurig cups, the NEXE cup is a huge, massive industry as well. According to Statista, a company that does consumer research reports, is big into consumer research, came out with a study. In the study, they concluded that in 2019, over 40% of US coffee consumers had a single cup brewing system in their household. So imagine how many coffee drinkers there are in the United States. Over 40% of those people have a Keurig cup coffee brewing system in their home. And remember, these coffee drinkers, they're drinking coffee every single day. This is not a one, like you stop at a gas station and get a soda once a week. This is something that is being consumed every single day. Another aspect leading me to be so high on this penny stock and to think it has potential is the fact that many states are passing plastic legislation, plastic bans. and a lot of cities as well. Small municipalities are passing these plastic bans as well because pollution and the fact that these plastics, you throw them in a landfill, you come back 300, 400, 500 years down the road, they are still going to be there. They are not biodegradable. They do not compost. They just sit there forever. You come back, we're going to be long gone, and the plastic that we're using today will still be laying around. So states such as Washington, Oregon, California, Hawaii, New York, Vermont, Maine, Connecticut, Delaware are passing plastic bills. And then all these green states are talking about it. So we have tons of states all around the United States passing plastic legislation, and that is a really good thing for not only the environment, but also this NEXE Innovations penny stock. And that's where the NEXE pod comes into play. This pod is 3D printed, fully compostable, biodegradable, and you can throw it in the landfill, throw it in the trash, and it's gonna disintegrate, go into the earth, cause no harm. You still get your great tasting coffee, and you're not polluting the environment. And it looks exactly like a Keurig cup. So what is NEXE? We are an innovative materials company that designs, manufactures, and leverages disruptive technology to make plant-based products. Founded in 2015, the company leveraged 3D printing design to prototype and patent the world's first compostable, single-serve coffee pod born out of the need to replace non-biodegradable plastic. So remember, we were talking about those two things coming together. Coffee being something that people use habitually every single day. And number two, states and municipalities, cities passing plastic bans. Those things come together. You have the NEXE pod in the middle, and they're ready to swoop in, disrupt the industry, and take advantage of both of those big, huge factors that could lead to a really good company. Today, after 5 years of scientific testing, the company is a leader in plant-based material manufacturing, beginning with its first commercial product, the NEXE pod. So the company has been working on this for over 5 years. They said they put $35+ million into R&D, which is going to create a high barrier of entry for other companies to try to come in and do the same thing. Would a company like Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts put a bunch of money into developing their own pod, or just outsource it and not have to waste the time, effort, and research and just buy their pods from NEXE and then just call it a day? So NEXE has some pretty big partners pushing them, helping them out. We have the government of Canada as a partner here. So that is really good when you see a country like Canada who is progressive, forward-thinking. Canada doesn't want a bunch of plastic laying around their landfills, so they're helping this NEXE pod get to market, helping them to get this thing going. The company is using innovative tech. The cost to manufacture the pod is very low. They own their own factory that uses crazy tech to get these pods manufactured. Because they do this, the cost of human labor in the manufacturing process of these pods is less than 10%. So they're using this high-tech factory that they own outright, including the real estate. So they own this huge 10,000 plus square feet factory, and where they're manufacturing and developing these pods. Here on the NEXE Innovations FAQ page, what is the NEXE Innovations core business? So right now, they design, manufacture, and commercialize fully compostable, plant-based materials for everyday consumer products. Right now, their main focus is the NEXE pod, the coffee pod. But a company like this that is innovative, disruptive, I imagine in the future, they're gonna have more stuff in the pipeline. I just see them being a company that is forward-thinking and not just gonna have one product come to market and then call it a day. I see this as a company that's either gonna get bought out by a big coffee company. And now this is me just speculating, okay? I don't know anything. I don't have any insider information or anything crazy like that. But I see this as a company that's either gonna get bought out by a big coffee company who wants the technology and doesn't wanna do the work themselves, or they're gonna have more products in the pipeline, and this coffee pod's gonna give them that foundation to build off of and grow off of. What single-serve brewing systems do the NEXE pods fit in? Keurig brewing systems. So Keurig is the key word because even if the coffee machine is not a Keurig, every single, not every, but I'd say 95% plus of the single-serve coffee systems, not even Keurig brand, fit the Keurig pods because those are the ones that are popular. So the fact that the NEXE pod fits the Keurig brewing systems is really huge. The pods are made of plant-based biodegradable materials that break down toxic-free when composted. Studies have shown that these pods break down in less than 12 weeks versus plastic that stays around for 500 plus years. Does the coffee taste the same? Absolutely. We work with established roasters to deliver a rich, bold cup of coffee that does not compromise on taste. Talk about the stock for a second. NEXE Innovations IPO'd last Friday. It's only been trading for a couple days. So this is a stock that has a market cap of only $4.65 million. This is a company that's still in its infancy. And yes, this is a stock that is just getting started. It carries risk, but with risk comes potential, and I do think this company has potential. Sure, this is a stock that you want to do your own research on, you want to do your own due diligence. Don't just take my word for it and go buy the stock. Do your own research, do your own due diligence, but in my opinion, I love companies that come into a space, they try to disrupt it, they try to bring value to it by bringing innovation into the game. They have a market cap of under $5 million. We have a float of shares outstanding of under 3 million shares outstanding. We're currently trading at $1.47, $1.48. I think this thing has potential. I think it's worth you guys taking a look at it. It trades on the TSX exchange in Canada, so it is an OTC stock under the ticker symbol NEXE on the TSX exchange. So check it out. I hope you guys got something of value from this video. If you did, do me a huge solid and hit that like button. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell. And check out WeBull if you're looking for 4 free stocks valued up to $1,600. Hit that link in the description. All right, guys, that's going to wrap things up. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until next time, peace.